is happening in the freelancing world? What is actually happening right now? Because of COVID, the war in Ukraine, because of AI, there is a fast transition going on. People are moving towards remote work and even digital nomadism. About 44 countries in the world have started accepting digital nomads, that is freelancers. You can decide to now move with your family and say, let me go to Italy and work for like 1 month there, Germany, and work for like 2 months. You can actually become a citizen of the world through the digital nomadism visas. So now in this country where we have the Japa trend, we find out that it's something that you can even jump into, but you are working while you are doing that. You're not going abroad to become a liability because you have set up yourself here in Nigeria. You are moving abroad to earn better. The second trend will be the specialization and niche markets. What will make people find you is your niche. If you are video editing, stay in video editing. And even in video editing, there's another branch of video editing. If you're a lawyer, you stay with contract law, you stay with corporate law. There are different niches. There's also the gig economy and the short-term contract trend. Many companies don't want to commit to long-term contracts and now have to pay health insurance, pay benefits that come with being a full-time employer. So they prefer the contract basis and they pay you well for those contracts. In the fourth trend, we find out that many people are using freelance platforms and online marketplaces now to source for talent. There was a McKinsey report that showed that in 2025, Africa will have the largest workforce. Finally, there's this emphasis on remote collaboration tools. There are so many tools now that you can actually use to collaborate online. You can work with somebody who is in Kaduna and you are in Lagos. There are so many tools that can facilitate that.